Something somewhere is wrong. Then there is some change in MATLAB function because this is new MATLAB function software. I have updated it last year in November, October.
Okay.
So MATLAB save data. Let's say save and load. Or it says save. Now okay, save.
Yeah.
This is just, we need to just forget all these things. So it is saved with the name as A2. Can you see anywhere A2 here? Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Yes. So you need to just write now to load. Let's say now I clear the screen. There is nothing written on the screen. And if I write A2, nothing will come. It will say unrecognized function or variable A2. That means there is nothing stored here so far.
Okay.
So what I want to show here, there are two ways of loading this MATLAB. One is just click, one single click and drag here.
So if you want to like data set or something like this.
Then now you write here A2. You got here.
Okay.
Because it was saved with this file which you loaded here.
Mm.
I just clicked and brought here, then the data was loaded. But
Okay.
when you are writing big module, you will not always clicking and dragging here.
Yeah.
So you just write this function load within bracket a2.mat. That's it.
Okay.
And we can show you here. Oh, sorry. Load a2.mat. It's done.
Okay. Can we upload like other than met files?
Yes, but I'm talking about simplest thing here.
Okay, no, I'm just curious. I'm just asking.
Yes. This I will show you. That is why I was like trying to discuss something
Yeah.
with you. So is it clear so far or not?
Yes, bro.
Perfect. So sometimes when you remember something and it does not work, then you need to check something like this as I did now.
Okay.
So you have to be very careful that if it is not working, it does not mean that you are wrong. You can also check how it will work. Now to write the command, something like this, we have to use in this way because there is change in MATLAB saving function. So we can also use this save function like this. Let's say we can try again. And now if we want to delete that MATLAB file, we can write a2.mat.
Right.
And it is now deleted.
Okay.
So again clear. Now I am writing a1 equal to rand 3 2. So we got this value.
Yeah.
Now I am saying to save. So this is the concept of saving MATLAB files, which can be saved like this. So since we don't have a single, we have just one value, so we can use like A1.
Okay.
Now it will save. It is done. There is no error.
Okay.
Very clear.
Yeah.
Everything works perfect. Now we can delete that file, which because we don't need that file to be stored here. Now it says it is not found. It means we have to write something like this.
Dot met.
Mat.
Yeah.
So, oh, it is deleted. There is no file, such file. So it is
Okay.
deleted. So is it clear now?
Yeah.
Save will work. Let's say. Oh, sorry, we saved the A1 value with test.mat name.
Yeah.
So we have to use this command delete test.mat.
Check.
Done. If you want to delete all the MATLAB file, then you have to write, or all one type of file, you just write a star dot mat. All the files will be deleted.
Okay.
But please never do it before knowing what are the
Yeah, of course.
yes. So this is like complete here. And you have to, this I just wanted to show you for your practice. That's it.
Mhm.
So this is how you can select, and this I have already explained you earlier. So
Mhm.
if you will read how to select, how to,
Select any number from the
but
row or column.
yes, from anywhere to anywhere.
Okay.
Then changing and deleting, I have already explained you, so there is no issue. There will be something called concatenation of the matrices. This you can try to find if there is something. And then another thing will be coming reshape. Reshaping will be also coming. If you somebody is asking you to convert two-dimensional matrix into one dimensional to two dimension, something like this. You can also do these things. So this is like something which you need to practice again and again. That is what I'm saying. And sometimes someone can also ask you to create colon copy. For example, you have one matrix, somebody is asking, make 10 matrices of this matrix.
Okay.
What you need to do is use rep mat. That means create replicate, and that is here, rep mat.
It will repeat.
So there are many things which you need to learn. For example, this is sum which you have seen.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody is asking cumulative sum,
Yeah.
that means something like you will get 1 plus 2 equal to 3.
Yeah.
3 plus 3 equal to 6 here. 6 plus 4, 10 here. 10 plus 5, 15 here. That is cumulative sum. That is increasing, not just slowly. It's like
Okay.
but there are more things which you have to practice.
But so far I can understand like saving and then loading, uh, like this sort of thing must be needed for us. Like when we will generate a lots of data, so we
Yes.
have to put it on the MATLAB, then we'll make some graphs or whatever.
Yes.
Yeah.
Many things. If you just need to practice, read, practice, learn, read,
Okay.
practice. When you will be ready with it may take few more days for you to practice this thing lots. Then I will ask you to write some codes. Like you asked how we will read the file, for example, Excel file.
Mm.
Here, how we will read the file. Then you have to learn in this way. And for this, for example, I wrote my code here. This is for, this was for your purpose. This is
Mhm.
for my purpose.
Yeah.
For reading the Excel file. Here I'm reading this Excel file.
Okay.
For all the gene expression calculate, like, fold change calculation, everything. P values calculation, everything. So you can do it on your own, but you can do it slowly. Don't jump. then you will
Mm.
never learn.
Yeah.
First, I want to you to learn the basic